Hi guys, Donal here and warm welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, of course, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and you will get notifications as soon as these recipe videos hit. Today, it is all about a one-pan roast chicken dinner. Now, technically, you need to roast that one pan, but in this version, we're getting all the best elements of a roast chicken dinner all wrapped up in the simple one-pan method. Takes only a few ingredients and you get left with something that is delectable, easy to bring to the table, and something that everyone is going to dig into. So here's how to make it. You're going to start off in a high-sided frying pan over a medium heat. Add a good glug of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. While the butter is melting down, season the chicken thighs generously with sea salt and black pepper and then place them skin side down in the pan. Now it's time to nestle some baby potatoes in and around the chicken and then add some sprigs of thyme. Now, the trick to this one-pan method with this roast chicken dinner is to leave the chicken thighs and the potatoes to crisp up. So take your time and don't move them. You want to leave them until that skin on the chicken goes thoroughly crispy. Once the chicken is ready, you're going to flip them over as well as the potatoes. Then add some chopped carrots, lemon slices, and some sliced garlic cloves into the pot and then fry them off for 2 to 3 minutes, shuffling in the pan until the garlic is nice and tender. Add a good jug of chicken stock into the pan and then add kale leaves before covering the pan with a lid. You're going to continue to cook that off for 5 minutes until the chicken is cooked all the way through, the potatoes and carrots are nice and tender, and the liquid has slightly reduced. Then all you've got to do is add a good squeeze of lemon juice and a sprinkle of flat leaf parsley just before serving the pan straight to the table. Now, while this might not be your classic Sunday roast, you're going to get all those great elements in a one-pan method that is super simple to make, especially for a weeknight meal. Now, if you want the recipe, I will leave a link in the box below where you can click it. It'll bring you to my website and all the recipe details will be there. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, leave me a comment in the box below letting me know if you're going to try this beautiful, simple weeknight meal. And of course, my friends, until then, I will see you soon. Goodbye.